This is the village where I grew up when I was little, my grandmother's village. And we used to jump from here. It's not too high, it's not too low. However, my most beautiful memories of my childhood are from here. And while I'm recording now, come back after years and years ago. But now that I'm recording, all those memories are coming back. Me and my mother come to visit our old house where she is born. There she is over there. It's a rainy day. We had a beautiful time on the rain, going through the fields, visiting the old house, little house, which is just there. And yeah, this is now the name of the village is Small Jovanovac. It's amazing how places can bring the memories. I better say nothing more. I just get few more photos. Yeah, who knows when I'm going to be back again, if. So, it's a very special day for me being here with my mother.